In today's construction industry, staying competitive means staying connected. The most successful projects run on data, accurate real-time data that keeps teams aligned, confident and productive. That's where Trimble Works subscriptions come in, a flexible, scalable way to access the latest Trimble machine control and construction software without the upfront cost. Trimble Works subscriptions bundle everything you need into one simple, predictable package. Your machine control hardware, your software licenses including Trimble WorksManager, your updates and your support all included, and all paid through a monthly or annual subscription. It's the exact same Trimble technology used by leading contractors worldwide, just delivered in a smarter way. Will from Plunkett Civil shares his experience on his investment in Trimble Works and his experience on working with SITECH Construction Systems.
I'm Will from Plunkett Civil. We do a pretty broad range of earth moving, so subdivisions, drainage, down to just your plain old site cuts and driveways and everything in between really. So I had a very basic knowledge of GPS before, kind of used rovers and hadn't done much with an excavator before. The surveyor we use and also the subby we use with the grader both run Trimble, and they both kind of said, yeah, Trimble's the only way to go. When we were pricing a few subdivisions that were kind of detailed earthworks, and we looked into getting the 3D GPS, but same thing, hadn't done much with it. So Tim from Melbourne Tractors put us on to Kirk and the subscription deal, and we looked into that and it was kind of a bit of a no-brainer. The benefit was definitely not the big upfront cost, especially because we didn't know how much we were going to use it. Seeing now, we use it nearly every day. Definitely inefficiencies, like a job like this, there's no having a labourer here with a laser staff, or no hopping out of the machine to double check or anything like that. You just dig. Same thing. Like we did big open swale drains the other week. There's no string lines and spirit levels and anything like that. You've got everything at your fingertips.
Available across all machines for the full Trimble Earthworks suite and for the Trimble Site Positioning Survey suite. Unpredictable technology costs are a thing of the past. Get technology on your terms with Trimble Works subscriptions. Call 1-800-748-324 today.